The 2025 Suzuki Z4S, a modern classic reimagined for a new era. Few motorcycles earn the kind of legendary status that Suzuki's Z line has managed over the years. With a history built on dependability, rugged design, and go-anywhere capability, the Z has been the go-to machine for riders seeking a true dual-sport experience. Now, with the release of the 2025 Z4S, Suzuki breathes new life into a trusted nameplate, delivering a modern machine that remains unmistakably loyal to its roots. A heritage reborn, at its core, the Z4S embodies the very essence of dual-sport riding. It's the kind of bike that you can ride through a forest trail in the morning, cruise down the highway in the afternoon, and park outside a coffee shop in the evening without missing a beat. This versatility is what has always made the Z special, and the new model embraces that identity more than ever. Rather than abandoning its heritage, Suzuki has carefully evolved it. The frame architecture has been updated for improved stiffness and weight distribution, but it still retains the classic proportions that Z fans love. The new bodywork is sleek yet purposeful, reflecting a mature design that respects function, as much as form. Refined power, ready for anything, under the seat, the Z4S houses a refined 398cc single-cylinder engine, a nod to its predecessor. But this version is smarter, cleaner, and more responsive. Dual spark plugs and titanium intake valves improve combustion efficiency, while the ride-by-wire system ensures precise throttle control. The result is an engine that feels familiar yet markedly improved, smoother on the pavement, punchier on the trail, and better at everything in between. The addition of a slipper assist clutch is a game-changer for riders who like to push their limits. Downshifting into a corner or navigating rocky trails feels more controlled and fluid. This isn't just a comfort feature, it's a performance boost, giving riders more confidence in high-stakes scenarios. A suspension system that works with you. One of the most significant areas of improvement is the suspension. With 11 inches of front travel and 11.6 inches at the rear, the Z4S is well prepared to handle rough terrain. Whether you're hopping logs, navigating deep ruts, or simply absorbing potholes on city streets, the suspension setup feels dialed in. It provides a plush ride without sacrificing the responsiveness needed for spirited off-road riding. Complementing the suspension is a lightweight aluminum swing arm and a progressive linkage system, both of which contribute to a planted, confidence-inspiring ride. Whether you're standing up on the pegs or sitting down for a long highway stretch, the bike remains predictable and composed. Modern electronics meet classic simplicity for years. Dual sport enthusiasts accepted the trade-off. Rugged simplicity meant doing without modern rider aids. With the Z4S, Suzuki proves that you can have both. The inclusion of the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS, brings selectable ride modes, switchable traction control, and even switchable ABS into the mix. A bright, easy-to-read LCD display offers quick access to all these features, making transitions between dirt and street feel seamless. The ABS, which can be turned off at the rear, is a nod to serious off-road riders who need full control when the terrain gets tricky. Meanwhile, ride modes allow you to fine-tune power delivery depending on conditions, adding versatility to an already capable machine. Designed for the long haul, Suzuki has put serious thought into ergonomics and rider comfort. The updated seat design, wider foot pegs, and tapered handlebar work together to create a riding position that's comfortable for extended hours. With a seat height of 36.8 inches, it may seem tall on paper, but the slim chassis and narrow seat profile make it surprisingly approachable, even for shorter riders. Extended service intervals, up to 3,750 miles, and a 7-year warranty further emphasize the Z4S's long-haul capabilities. This is a machine built not only to endure, but to keep performing at a high level across thousands of miles and countless adventures. A platform for adventure, Suzuki recognizes that dual sport riders love to personalize their bikes, and the Z4S is built to accommodate that spirit. As a launch bonus, Suzuki includes a $450 accessory package with essentials like handguards, a skid plate, and a rear rack. These additions elevate the bike's utility right out of the gate, making it trail-ready and travel-ready from day one. With a price tag of $8,999, the Z4S undercuts many competitors while delivering a complete package. It strikes a balance between affordability and advanced features, making it an attractive option for both entry-level adventurers and seasoned riders looking for a reliable companion. The future of dual sport riding. As the motorcycle industry leans increasingly toward specialization, track bikes, cruisers, adventure tourers, the dual sport category remains a haven for riders who value flexibility and freedom. The 2025 Suzuki Z4S doesn't try to fit into a narrow box. Instead, it stretches its arms wide, inviting riders to use it however they see fit. Commute through the week, explore on the weekends, push harder when the trails get tougher. The Z4S is ready. In every detail, the 2025 Z4S feels like the culmination of decades of experience, rider feedback, and engineering evolution. It honors its past while stepping boldly into the future. A modern classic reimagined for a new era of two-wheeled adventure.